It's Sunday night, and I am bored. I guess we'll have people. Well, me and Nat are gonna expand on our little musical, and I actually didn't get to say on mine. But the reason why I asked you to do that muzzle earlier, probably like 2 months ago, is because I love Cats musical. Woot! I'm obsessed with it. I love other musicals, but Cat's my number one. When I first saw it, December, I already told you guys, I fell in love with Monkstrap. Oh. And that's when actually I created Crystalie, my black jackal. And yeah, I fell in love with Monkstrap, and and now I'm in love with Macavity, the villain of it. At first, when I saw it, I did not like Macavity. But now I do. Oh, yeah. I love the brothers.